ki khubor ka Batisi TV lawan ra shapi da ka Orange Nissan Loom so pho near Fire Brigade Shillong.
Admissions are open at BDW International School. Enroll now.
Kiran Rijiju ubadai MP jong ke Bharatiya Janata Party ni ke Jilla Arunachal Pradesh ula penpau ke jing sngongo yo Menteri Rangba adu kari India Narendra Modi halor ke jing Sha Jied ban yo rung kumu Menteri jong ke Tnat Ain hapo ke kinhon Menteri jong ke Sorkar National Democratic Alliance. Haka jing ekran bat kilat pathai khubor hanong ba Shillong haka sngi sat jan jong ke santrik upnai rempang arajar arpuar. Urijiju ulaong bakani kan long ka buram ka bakrao hado kata-kata ki pat ba nong song snong jong ka than sa tailam mingi baro ka we namar bakan jialong Hadien hanyo pusan Snem baka Sorkar India kan Jied yo Riewlum nagani ka than da ka ba penkamti ya ka Tnat Ain. Shushu uliat horu baha kakinhon Myntri ka bamenta jong Narendra Modi ki donru sa arngut ki Riewlum jong gani ka than sa tailam mingi ki bala Sha Jied ban shimti kum ki Myntri Sorkar bat laingut kum ki Myntri khanna. Hakabaya day bat kani urijiju ulaong bakani ka jingle bha jong Narendra Modi kalong namar ba uangnot bakani ka than sa tailam mingi uangnot ban wanra ay ka jinya day ka bajan bat ki pat ba nong song snong jong gani ka than sa tailam mingi.
On behalf of the Northeastern people, I feel that it was an honor to be there in the cabinet under the leadership of Narendra Modi ji. And as a person from Northeast and as a tribal from Northeast, it is a huge honor to become the first tribal law minister of the country. It took almost 75 years for a tribal in India to be the law minister of the country. So it is a huge responsibility and faith which the Honorable Prime Minister has given to me. So I feel that to become the law minister of the country is not an honor for Kiran Rijiju. It is an honor for the entire Northeast and the entire tribal community of the country. Secondly, this is also the first time that there are 2 cabinet ministers and 3 ministers of states at the same time in Union Council of Ministers. This shows that how much the Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji gives importance to Northeast, far more than our numbers. Normally, democracy runs with numbers, but for Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji, numbers do not matter all the time, but it is his emotional connect, especially with the people of Northeast, which has made him to give a huge representation, that too with the critical, important portfolios in the cabinet.